Meet Grawt, the all-in-one lead generation and marketing automation platform built to supercharge your business. Are you tired of juggling multiple tools just to keep up with your marketing? Grawt brings everything you need into a single, easy-to-use interface. No tech headaches, no steep learning curves. From capturing leads to nurturing them with automated email campaigns, tracking analytics, and managing your audience, Grawt does it all. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a marketer, or part of a growing business, Grawt scales with you. Spend less time on busy work and more time connecting with your customers and driving sales. Ready to simplify your marketing and accelerate your growth? Try Grawt today and watch your business thrive. For more details about Grawt, please check out the link in the description below. So, let's take a look on what this product is all about.
Hey! In this product tour, we are going to create an example lead journey for you and walk you through each step of the process. This is a basic lead journey for demonstration purposes, but your lead journey can be as complex as you want based on your unique case. In this lead journey, eventually our prospect will get access to the lead magnet, and we will also capture a phone number along with the name and email of our lead. Let's get started. First, we need to create our main landing page. So let's go to Pages and create the landing page. I will simply name it Landing Page for this demonstration. You can either start with a blank canvas or select one of our conversion-optimized landing page templates. I will select this template and hit Generate Page. Once the page is generated, I will update the text according to my needs. Do some basic editing and change this image as well, and change some more text. Okay, so I am happy with my page, and now I'll hit the Publish button and go back. The next step is to create an opt-in form, so go back to our application and go to Widgets. Now create a new widget. Give it a name, select Pop-up on the next screen, then select a type on the next screen. I will go with the pop-up modal, and then select from one of the given templates. In the pop-up, we will change a few things to make it to our liking. I will remove all the extra text and keep the text that I need and update the text style accordingly. Go back to the menu, click on Add Content and add a form. Let's add two new fields, name and last name. Now I also want to add another form field for, let's say, phone number, because depending on your unique need, you might need to add custom fields. For doing this, we will go to Leads and click on Fields and add a new field, type phone, and for field type select text. Hit Add button. Now go back to Widgets again. Go into the form, edit the form. Click Add New, and you will see the newly added phone field. Select it to add it to the form and reorder the fields as needed. Let's activate the form. Now, I don't want my form to be displayed automatically, rather. I want it to be available only on click. Next in our journey, we want this form to be available inside this landing page. For this, we will go back to our Pages and click on our landing page. Here I want my form to show when this button is clicked. So after setting all this, I will hit Publish. Now, what I want is that when the form is submitted, my lead should go to a thank you page. So for this, we need to create another page. I will duplicate the existing page and rename it to Thank You. Change the page URL and hit the Update button. Let's edit our new thank you page. Here I will change some text and color and remove the text and button that I don't need. I will ask the lead to check his inbox and verify his email because I want the lead to double opt-in. Hit Publish to save the changes. Since we want double opt-in to be enabled, we have asked for the email verification. In order to enable double opt-in, we have to go back to the widgets. But wait, let's also copy the thank you page URL and now go to the widgets. Edit the form and go to its settings. Toggle this switch to enable double opt-in option. Scroll down and put the thank you page URL. When double opt-in is enabled and someone verifies his email, he will be redirected to the opt-in confirmation page, and the opt-in confirmation page is a system default, but you can modify the text of the opt-in confirmation email. You can do this easily by going to Settings, and in Double Opt-in Settings, you can set the email subject and the body text. Now, after the opt-in confirmation email, we want to trigger a workflow. To create a workflow, you can simply click on Workflows on the left sidebar. Now, click on Create Workflow button. Give it a name, and as soon as you hit the Create button, you will see the Workflows screen. Click on Configure Trigger button. According to our lead journey, we want to trigger our workflows once the email is confirmed. So, select the demo form we just created. Now, we have to send a welcome email as soon as the email is confirmed. To do that, click on this plus icon and select Send Email. Enter the subject and body of the email and hit the Save button. Now, we have to put the link of our lead magnet inside the welcome email. And when someone clicks that link, it should redirect to the lead magnet page. So, in order to create the lead magnet page, we have to go back to Grawt and select Pages from the left sidebar. Click on Create Landing Page, give it a name, and I'll just start with a blank template. And as soon as you hit the Generate Page button, you'll see the landing page editor. For this demonstration, I've already created a lead magnet. Click on Add Block to embed the lead magnet in the page. Select the Other category and drag and drop the Embed Lead Magnet block. Now, click on it and select Lead Magnet from the left sidebar. Once you select the lead magnet, then hit this Publish button and go back. So this is the URL of our lead magnet page. Copy the URL and paste it in the email we just create in the workflows. Go back to the workflows and select the email to put the link in your desired space. Hit the Save button and we're done with this step. In order to create a lead magnet, you can either create it manually by going to the lead magnets from the left sidebar and click Create Lead Magnet. Or use our AI Studio. Click on AI Studio and click Create Profile button. Give it a name and description about your lead magnet and hit Generate Target Audience button. AI Studio will generate multiple target audience to choose from. Select the desired one and hit Create button. Once a profile has been created, click on this 3 dots and click Create Lead Magnet. Select the lead magnet type and hit Generate Ideas. This way, AI will generate some ideas to create our lead magnet. Select your desired topic and hit Next button. Select it to include in your lead magnet description and click on Generate Lead Magnet button. For this demonstration, we have already created a lead magnet, so we can close this and let's move to the next thing in our lead journey. Now, we have to integrate the CRM. Let's go back to Grawt and go to the workflow we have created. Click on the plus icon and select Send Data. And we have to send this data to an email service. But as you see, we don't have any email service available in our account. So let's quickly integrate an email service. Go to the Integrations and click Add Integration button. Give it a name and hit Next button. Select Email as the service type. In this demonstration, I am using MailChimp. You'll need an API key from your MailChimp account. Paste it here and click Add Integration. Now, let's go back to the workflows and select Send Lead Data. Select Email Service again. Select the service we just integrated, and the system will fetch the list we've created inside our email service account. Choose the desired one, hit the Save button, and our workflow is ready. Click on top right corner to active the workflow. This way, we have completed our whole lead journey. Now, let's test how our lead journey looks like. So let's go back to Grawt and go to the pages. Open the landing page. Here we have our attractive landing page. Now, once someone clicks on the button, it triggers a pop-up. Let's go ahead and fill in the required stuff. As soon as someone clicks on the Submit button, it will show the thank you page where we mention to check the inbox and verify email. Let's go to the inbox and check the email. Here you see the system default email, so just click here to confirm the email and you'll be redirected to the default thank you page. We should also receive a welcome email according to our workflow, so let's go back to the inbox and yes, we have that email. Click the link to check the lead magnet. Let's see how leads are captured within Grawt. Head to the Leads section and click on a lead to access more information, such as the name, email, phone number, IP address, and consent. It also shows the linked forms and captures the lead activity as well. This is how lead journey works inside Grawt. Thanks for watching. See you inside.